Why do dogs tilt their heads when you talk to them? Is it their way of saying, I'm listening? Well, kind of, but there's more to it. Dogs tilt their heads to understand us better. They're trying to catch the tone of your voice, pick out familiar words, or even see your facial expressions more clearly. And let's face it, they probably know it melts our hearts every time. Scientists also think dogs might tilt their heads to adjust their ear position and pinpoint sounds better. So when you say walk or treat, they're all ears. Literally. Cute and smart, right? Next time your dog tilts their head, give them a pat. It's their way of bonding with you. Like and subscribe for more tail-wagging facts.